What up, guys and girls? It's your boy SGP. I'm back in the building. You know what I'm saying? We still doing this thing out here. It's a little slow. You know what I'm saying? But we still out here. We still doing our thing. Before we get started, I want to ask you guys a question. I've been putting a different skin around on the outside the border of these videos. If you guys like that, give me a thumbs up. Give me some feedback in the comments. But let's go ahead and get right into the video. Check the intro, guys. Alright, so today we got a little bit something different. Trying to switch it up a little bit for you guys. So you see, we out here on the road tonight. We over here in basically Reno, Nevada. So still got some mail calls I haven't got done from the house. I need to get these videos shot and get them out so I can get them on feet, get you some videos of that or whatnot. So but we're gonna combine this. If you guys have been watching, I've been doing a little commentator video, so we're gonna combine these. So this is for the homie Pain82. I'm gonna link him down in the description. You know how it goes. But he brought out the topic of what's your sneaker rotation, right? So we're gonna get into that a little bit as I show you what we got in the box today. So sneaker rotation, I said, if you've seen any of my videos, I don't know. I don't know how many shoes I have. I know it's somewhere 200 plus. And to get them all and rotate them, it is quite a daunting task. Alright, so what is the sneaker rotation? How do I decide what to wear? I know for a lot of guys who got a bunch of shoes, it'll be different from me. It'll only be a subsection of people that do what I do. But since you guys see, I'm a truck driver. I'm out here on the road all the time, so I don't have access to all my shoes. So what I do is, when I go home, I grab about 5-6 pair of them that I intend to wear when I'm out here on the road, and then try to match an outfit or something like that while I'm out here on the road. But I don't always get into it. Got some LeBron today. Let's see the box. So I know some people are like, if I wear a shoe once this year, alright, got the PS 8v2s or 8v3s. If I wear a shoe this year, I don't want to wear it again. It takes a special occasion to wear a certain shoe or whatnot. That's not me, man. I just wear what I want to wear. I wear a lot of shoes multiple times. So if like I just stated, I only bring like 5-6 pair of shoes out here with me. Sometimes I do get shoes out here on the road, depending on what they are. But I'll wear my shoes 4 or 5 days in a row, so they get a lot of wear. There are some shoes I have that are still dead stock, just haven't found the right time or had the time to wear them. But if they end up coming out here with me, I pretty much run through them, so they get their paces. As far as like what clothing or whatnot, do you pick out your shoes first? Do you pick out your clothing first? It all depends, man. Some days you just want to wear this shoe and you figure it out. Some days you want to wear this shirt or this hat, whatever, and you just figure it out from there. Alright, but that's how I do my sneaker rotations. I want to start getting into like I wish I could do like the 365 where you wear one shoe for every day of the year. But I don't have the time to do that. So, but let's get into this pickup. Oh, got the Miami Heat colorway, playoff V3s. If you guys have been watching the videos, you know I've been a fan of the LeBron 8s. Got all the 8v2s. Check the collection video down in the description. Yellow on the insoles. Got these in a size 10. I think I got a steal on these, about $100. I really wasn't trying to pay that much over for some V3s. This would be the only V3 I wanted, unless it would be like a sample or something like that. So, but nice clean colorway. Something's gonna pop this summer. Could even rock this in the winter. So, get you guys a good look at those. All leather, yeah. I guess this would be plastic, or it feels like doesn't quite feel like leather all the way on the upper. So it does have breathability. James on the front of that one, LeBron on the front of that one. You got his logo on the back. LeBron on the lace tips. 8 on that lace tip. Of course, you got the LeBron lion. Oh, that's the back. Blacked out midsole, yellow speckles. So I think these came in pretty good, decent condition. It does have some toe drag on the front, but I'm cool with that. So it's not like I'm gonna be balling in these. So, but that's what we got for you guys today. Hope you like, comment, subscribe, do all those things for me, and we'll see you in the next. We'll see you in the next video. We out.